All right, guys. So my number one tip for people trying keto is know your health prior to doing it. One of the biggest and most annoying things is that people start freaking out thinking that keto is giving them heart disease or thyroid disorders or uh, high blood sugar, high blood pressure. You really need to know your state of health prior to doing keto as to know how to balance this new gasoline source, if I put it in this context. It takes a while for your body to actually adapt. So knowing your prior history is amazing. So I would do a full thyroid panel, not just a TSH test. I would try to understand what my blood sugars. I'd get a glucometer prior to doing keto to understand, are you running high with blood sugar prior? Or did keto cause that? Are you hypoglycemic? Are you high cortisol or low cortisol? Understanding your CRP, your inflammatory markers, if there's calcium in the arteries, the calcium buildup, too much of it, if you have what your triglyceride numbers are, what your HDL numbers are, or your low density small particle B LDLs, because there's a good one as well. We're so misinformed. People don't understand that our body makes 75% of the cholesterol from our liver, and we recycle it and use it as an antioxidant. So people do low fat and low cholesterol and low animal fat. They put their body at risk for hiccups. And then when they do keto and then they go run and do tests, they start to find all this wonkiness. So test before. A lot of you women and people are having gallbladder issues before you do keto, liver issues before you do keto, definitely hypothyroidism or thyroid issues. And then you do keto and your hair starts falling out. You think it's keto. No, it's the wrong application of it because you didn't know what your prior health was. People can develop shingles on keto because their body's so stressed. They're not dealing with their jobs and their families, their relationships, having children waking up in the middle of the night, night shift workers. Yes, all of these things, quality, high quality foods. If you can digest fats, right? If you've got any issues with the PPAR and you're losing fat through your stool, if you are not absorbing fat because you're malabsorptive for any reason, or if you've got gallbladder issues, knowing if you've got leaky gut, all of these things matter. Rotation of foods, histamine issues, because you guys are running and doing the bulletproof coffee and doing the intermittent fasting and saying that it's working for you, but you don't understand what your body goes through over the long term. Open up the body and learn about how it functions before trying something, because what worked for another person won't work for you. Because I had a strong metabolism clearly before doing keto because I'm 50 years of age, right? Full natty, full keto. I haven't eaten any carbs over 20 grams of carbs in nearly 10 years, but I mind my electrolytes. I get my circadian rhythm sleep. I exercise. I clear my mind out. I meditate. I learn how to breathe. These are the things that you have to do also transitioning into keto. Number one tip, go get your health checked before and do full panels. Now there are organic acid tests. There's mymedlabs.com to understand. You can do panels and find out what's going on with your testosterone and your estrogen, and you can go to certain labs to understand your cholesterol panel, especially the LDL small particles, very important. The inflammatory markers, your triglycerides, HDL numbers. Don't always count on the total cholesterol. You get very confused, and a lot of GPs don't understand the numbers themselves. They just learn the numbers and then prescribe the statins. It's crazy. All right, guys. As you know, I'm writing the keto book, and I want to make sure you guys do this in a safe and healthy way. Yes, that's the whole point, right? That's why it's taking so long to get it into the public. I also have a keto course on a Facebook, but you have to sign up on my website, which is stephanieperson.com. My Instagram, which is more fun, which is Stephanie Ketogenic. And I'm going to enjoy the new year. And I also want to teach people that women, I want to change the landscape of what people consider attractive and show that strong, muscular women who are intelligent is very attractive from the inside of the healthy body to the outside. Pink. And I'm out, guys. Peace.